Here's a 2015 Chrysler 200. Drive proud. Drive the all-American Chrysler 200. It's in a class of one. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror. You connect with Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, active grille shutters, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Cars.com reports in crash tests by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the 200 sedan earned the top score, good across all categories. Accordingly, the car is an IIHS top safety pick. Since 1925, Chrysler has done more than just make vehicles. It has made history. Take it for a test drive today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.